Hello everyone, my name is Chen Ying. I will enter a postgraduate course in September 2020, and I'm going to show you how to find information about my major at University of Leeds. My major is Fashion, Enterprise and Society, which is taught by School of Design and Business School. Okay, let's go. First of all, we can use Google search engine. Just type in University of Leeds. The first result is what we need. Choose course search button. Type the name of course. Choose Masters. Search. Course is here, click it. As you can see, this is my course page. There are 4 parts: overview, course content, applying fees and funding, career opportunities. Well, let's start with overview. It introduces the purpose of teaching and what skills students can learn. For example, after finishing the course, students can view the fashion industry from a broader perspective and be better prepared to be fashion business innovator. On the other hand, the school will provide a great number of facilities and resources to students. For example, well-equipped studio, purpose-built computer clusters, and so on. Also, you can look up information in Marks Spencer Company archive. Okay, look at here. There is a video. You can watch it and listen to the experience of former students in this major. Move on the second part. This tablet shows us what kind of course we are going to study. There are compulsory modules and optional modules. If you want to see more detail, you can click here. This is a list of postgraduate courses. You can see students should study full-time and get 108 credits. What's more, you need to satisfy the University of Leeds language requirements. For example, you should get IELTS scores of 6.5 overall with not less than 6.0 in all the components. And scroll down, we can find the core modules. Core modules are provided by School of Design. In addition, you can choose your interested optional modules here. Click it. More information about courses are available, like teaching methods, assessment type, reading list, and so on. Okay, now we should go back to part 3. Here are the admission requirements. You can read it and how to plan. Students should prepare some materials like a copy of degree, a copy of your degree, quality certificate, and a personal statement, evidence of your English qualifications. And read here. The program manager will invite you to participate in an interview. You might want to know how much the fee. You can read here, and if you are very talented, you can get financial support by university or for our government. Okay, now I will show you the last part. When you graduate, what kind of job will you get? You can look at here. Maybe you can join the magazine, fashion companies, and create your own business. Maybe you can continue study to get a PhD degree. Okay, that's all I want to share with you. I hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for your listening.